Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review with you, written by one of our valued customers. This is what they had to say about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star, top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars. We are very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.